keep on killing me. He keeps on going to the server and just kills me. I don't know why. This guy. This asshole always go to the server and just kills me even with a teammate. I don't know what is his problem. No. He disconnected. He killed me again and then he disconnected. Now he's back at the server and wants to kill me again. How am I gonna play? How am I gonna play here? This guy keeps on doing that. I don't know what is his problem. I don't know. See? I don't know what is his problem. Please do something about this guy. You do this every time I play, and then he come and team up with me and just kill me. I don't know. I can't play anymore. Here we go again. He joined again. See? The heck? I'm in different room now. The fuck? What's wrong with him?